welcome to my Yumi channel, and today we're doing some kitty circle, yeah. So let's do it like this. Nope, it's ugly then. How about this? Ooh, okay, how about, okay, will be a bigger, oh, so cute. I don't know. I have to essential. Anyways, let's do, oh, shush. Off. Out. Oh my god, that's so big. Let's make it a little bit small. Oh my god. Don't forget mother just laughing out. So let's go. Oh my god, she's cute. Anyways, and let's do a bucket of her. And purple light. Nope. How about purple like that? And bucket all of this. So good. Oh my god. Oh my god, they look so cute. And what are we missing? Oh, of course, we're missing something. Let's see. Oh my god, it looks horrible. It looks horrible. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. Let's up a bucket. And now, how about whiting to make her glow? Oh my god, look at that.
Robot mo, tapos, ha?
Let's see.
Ha?
Which one? Come out.
Pakain mo yung iba.
Oh my god.
Hindi ka parang pagkain ng aso?
Oh my god.
Yung pagkain ng pusa nila, lagyan mo ng ano, yung tira-tira.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's add a teeth like that. Like this. Oh, it's so cute. And next, what? How about? Oh, I know.
Kapila ko ba tote?
I don't know. Oh, I know. Like some hands or something. How about do this? And this thing. I only have an idea. So where is it?
Yuyo!
I'm
What
thinking.
was Yuyo?
This one. Wait, oh my god.
Yuyo!
This one I'm talking about. I need this.
Lumabas ba si Yuyo?
Oh my god.
Yuyo, kain na!
One of my good idea like that.
Yung kay
And
ate, princess, ano na?
no, like that. And
Yung kay ate, princess, ipakain mo. Baka nandun niya nilagay yung buto niya.
like that. Which one? I'm focusing. My god. How about this one? Ooh, nice. And now let's add the white thingy.
Wala?
Oh,
Saan?
oh, like that. And oh, nice.
Diyan yun eh.
Oh, okay. Okay. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm stupid. Yep, I'm stupid. Not stupid. Forget my sister. Forget me at the papa. Forget, she's lying. I am not lying. She's lying. No. Forget about her. I am not lying. Like this. Oh my god. I am not lying. How about me? Your friend has to unsubscribe. She's lying, guys. No. Add some mustache. Joke lang. And No, 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 no.
Your husband will unsubscribe. I unsubscribe her.
Forget her. She will be a hater anytime. Anyways, how to make a hit?
I don't have a YouTube. I am not a YouTuber. You will not hit at 1M subscribers.
She's a hater, guys. Please, one like to vanish that stupid hater.
I'll text you. He's your real girlfriend, Mark.
She's just my crush.
And
And that's all. Why?
your hater will chat too.
Well, which one is my hater? Guys, if you hate me, comment. I wish you never hate me, guys, cause
No, she hates you. And your husband will subscribe, all of you. All like, unlike. No
She-
one can bully me. He bullied me. I'll get revenge on her.
she's lying, guys. Please help
And
me.
she's angry with me. I am not alive. That is the truth.
That is not. Oh God,
Your drawing is ugly.
that is. Stop it. She's so annoying, guys. Please help me.
Your bear hater will unsubscribe to you. Ba 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 ba.
She's a real hater, guys.
Ba ba ba.
Please
I
help
hate
me.
you. I do not you. You get me as a sister, so don't hate me anymore.
She's just jealous, right, guys?
No, I'm not jealous.
Forget about her. Let's continue our.
It's you my cartoon. It's you my cartoon.
Let's do
I have a
our.
cartoon.
Anyways, she's annoying. Let's see. Let's do the. And eyes will be cuter like that. And
Report me. I don't care if you report me.
oh my God.
I'll spamming chat on your chat, on your comments.
Forget about her. She's annoying. Like that. Oh my God, she's cute. Oh my God, she's cuter. Oh, look at that.
Now don't hit me, a sister. Don't hit me.
Forget about her.
Please, I wish I was unreborn.
Forget about her.
I wish you will not beat me always. Guys, unsubscribe.
Don't unsubscribe, guys. She's a hater.
I'm
Please.
not a hater. You will get one subscriber for all of you.
Please, guys. She's a hater. She will hate us.
Yeah, I hate it.
You see? Anyways, we're almost there to done. Oh my God. She's so like she's
No,
in her.
she's not done. Oh, wow.
Forget about
No,
that.
no, 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 no.
She's a lip step. So,
No, no, no.
that is not a black lip step. It will be red. And what's gonna walkies. Okay.
I'll not give you ice fruit. I will not give you ice fruit.
Forget about her. I can do my right subscribers and my heart fans.
You will not get ice fruit. I'll get light fruit. I get ice fruit.
Well,
And I started.
she's so dumb.
And if I get one ice fruit, I'll give it to someone.
She's dumb, guys. Look at. Oh my God, it's cringe.
What is that? It looks like a man.
A man? Maybe you are the man.
He's cuter like that.
Oh my God, she's cute. Anyway, so I'm gonna say Can you rate? Can you rate it?
No. No.
Can you rate it? Rate it.
No.
Oh my god, my sister's annoying. 10, 10,
10.
like that. So,
No.
tell me in comments. Tell me in comments. Cause I'll put the name. Cancel.
Bye.
Oh my god. Give me a sec, guys. Hey guys, this is my supporting heart fans, and you know, someone named Murray is support me, yeah. And this is our gold. If you wanna go to support the heart fans, comment down below if you wanna. Thank you. Bye.